Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube playlist private. Before the tutorial, make sure to check out our resources in the description below. Free YouTube ebooks, customizable YouTube checklists, exclusive software deals, free trial offers for YouTubers, and many more resources that help you grow your YouTube channel, build a business on it, and make more money from it. Now, back to the tutorial. So a private playlist means that only you are going to be able to check out this playlist. Nobody is going to see this playlist in YouTube search or anywhere else. So if you want to make a YouTube playlist private, all you have to do is open up YouTube and sign in into your YouTube account. And on the left here, you're going to see your playlists. If you don't see the playlist you want to make private, click on Show More here. And you're going to see all of your playlists then, and click the one you want to make private. And here's the playlist, this test playlist. And as you can see, currently it is set to public. And to make it a private YouTube playlist, all we have to do is click on the down arrow there and select private. As you can see, you can also make it unlisted. In that case, anyone with a link can also view the playlist. But if you're okay with private, just click on that and this will be automatically saved. Or refresh the page. As you can see, now the playlist is private and can only be viewed by yourself. Alright, if something is still not clear to you, check out our more detailed instructional blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. Links to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free ebooks, checklists, software deals and templates that help you grow on YouTube and teach you how to make a full-time online business from your YouTube channel. Alright, if you found this free tutorial helpful, please like it, or you can also support us making more free videos by clicking on the thanks button. Any support is appreciated. Thanks.